Have you been searching for supermarket jobs in Luxembourg but don't know where to apply? In this video, I'll show you the complete application process. First, prepare your documents. You'll need an updated CV, preferably in the Europass format, a valid passport, and a professional cover letter. If you have previous experience in retail, warehouse, cashier, or customer service, make sure to include it in your CV. Next, apply only through official company career websites. Popular employers include Cactus, Lidl Luxembourg, Aldi, Delhaize, and Auchan. Create an account on their career page, upload your CV, complete the online application form, and submit your application. Many viewers ask if visa sponsorship is available. The answer is yes, but only if an employer is willing to hire a non-EU candidate and obtain the necessary work authorization. Not every vacancy offers sponsorship, so always read the job description carefully. There is no single official age limit for supermarket jobs. However, most employers prefer adults who are legally eligible to work and physically able to perform the required tasks. Salaries generally range from €2,500 to €3,500 per month, depending on the employer, position, experience, and working hours. Never pay any agent or individual who promises you a guaranteed job. Apply only through official company websites or trusted recruitment agencies. I've added useful application resources and official career links in the video description. Apply as early as possible because vacancies can close quickly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Visa Experts AIM, and turn on notifications for more verified job and visa updates from Europe. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not a recruitment agency and cannot guarantee employment or visa approval. Always verify information through official employer and government sources before applying.